engine itself was built, we were just adding pipes and tubes and bolts and just putting everything together. It's a lot more difficult than I thought it would be. There's a lot of stuff, a lot of bolts that are in really weird places. My hands are too big. Gotta really get in there and turn it. Hands just way too big.
Same thing with my brother. I plan on working with my dad in the engineering field. I learned to read the instructions. There's a lot of things you gotta reread, make sure. It's kind of difficult in a way because you gotta make it perfect. Otherwise the plane won't work.
The second year is when we start installing different systems in there. That's when we get the fuel system or the brake system, start with some of the flight control systems like that.
I thought it was like something complex. It was really like hands-on almost every day. They put me in a class called aerospace engineering. We flew like this little simulation, and that was pretty fun. And that's what got me into this. You really have to make the plane like 5 times, take it apart, and put it back together in order to really have it good. I want to become an aerospace engineer or get my pilot's license.
In this first semester, we got to put in the avionics, tie all the systems together, finally start testing it as a full plane, and then make the big move back in January up to the airport so we could get it in the hangar.